Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share a full logo design process of my client. The price is $400 for this project. Client wanted a owl combination mark, who wearing a sunglass. The business is related to education, so he wanted it to be somehow clever and professional. So let's get started with doing some research on Google. First go to the website bar, and search by Arwell. Click on Images. And then scroll down, and get inspired by them. This images looks perfect to me, which one I'm looking for. Now go to another window and search by Arwell from front view, and let's see what we come up with. This one looks interesting to me. And lastly go to another window, and search by Arwell wearing with sunglass. They are all looks really great. It will help us to be creative on the final design. From here we will take this one, we will mix up this 3 images into one creative logo. Okay, now let's do some sketches based on the reference images. You can take pen and paper and get started with me. For me, I draw it on paper first, and now sketches on Photoshop for tutorial purpose. If you do more sketches, more you will get creative logo. You will get the sketch images from our description. I will suggest you to pause the video and do some sketch by your own, from the reference photo, and share it with our Facebook community. I will happy to review it. You can get the Facebook group link from the pinned comment. Take time, and do it carefully, so that you can get the best result. If we need any minor changes, we will do it on Illustrator. Now just do the sketches with fun. That's great. After doing some modification we come up with this design. Now let's vectorize it by Illustrator. Select the image and set the opacity 50%. Lock the layer and create a new layer. Then go to the stroke panel, and set the stroke color red. And then set the stroke size 1.5 points. That's great. Now take pen tool and zoom in a little bit. Then start draw with pen tool like me. Do it slowly so that you can draw exact like me. To be the master in pen tool, practice more and more. That's great. Our first shape is done. Take the pen tool again, start drawing from this point. Don't stop here, get the end point and completed it like me. Now select all the shape and unite it, with Shape Builder tool. Now we will work on the eyes and sunglass part. To do that, take the ellipse tool and draw it here. Then go to Edit, and copy it. Then paste it to front. Scale it to 50%. Zoom in a little bit, and draw a small circle here. We will cut this off with Shape Builder tool. That's great. Now copy the eyes by pressing Alt from the keyboard, and place it here. Now we will make this sunglass line. To do that, take the rectangular shape and draw it here. Then select the outer big circle with this rectangle, and unite it with the Shape Builder tool. And now draw this nose part with Pen tool, a basic triangle. That's great. Our face part is ready. Now let's draw the body part with the Pen tool. We can see a problem here. No problem, let's fix this up. First, try to make it perfect by use anchor point. If they don't work, go to the Smooth tool and draw it like this. It will be automatically draw smooth line. Take the Pen tool again and draw this line. Use the Smooth tool again here. Again, take the Pen tool, and draw rest of the line as well. On my very next video, I will share how to be a master in Pen tool, so keep connected with me. Select this two line, and with Shape Builder tool, unite the line exact like me. Now we only have left this line to draw. Let's draw it as well. With Shape Builder tool, delete unusual shape like me. That's great. Our shape is ready. Now hide the sketch layer, and set the stroke color to black, and set the stroke size 4 points. Select all the line together, take Shape Builder tool, and unite the shape like me, so that they can be single shape, and we can color it separately. Click this middle line and swap it stroke to fill. See, they are all separate line. Now let's color it with gradient. That's great. Here is our created color palette. You can get the color palette, and the final vector file in the description. Now select the upper line, and swap it from stroke to fill, then color it with eyedropper tool. Then press G to activate gradient tool, and apply it like me. Then select this down part, swap it to stroke to fill, and apply gradient color with eyedropper tool. Okay, our face part is done. Now do the same with all the shape as well. To make you remember again, you will get the color, main sketches, and the vector file in the description box. In this series I'm going to sharing a lot about logo design start to finish, so you can stay connected with me to do subscribe. That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you need anything to know, you can comment, I will answer it with very short time. Thank you very much for watching, have a great day.